Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. And in today's video I have for you 10 OPI polishes that are very beginner friendly. Formulas are chef's kiss, and I think all of them, if not most of them, are one coaters, but if not, then it's going to be an easy two coat formula. Some colors, it's very difficult to find them at one coat, but what I did was find you something that's easy to work with. I'm gonna insert a clip here of a reel that I have that explains how to paint using the OPI brush, because it's not the most round nail friendly brush because it's cut completely straight. So you can see here how to work around that. And always remember, choosing formulas that are good is gonna make your life easier. As you like develop your painting skills and all of that, you're gonna be able to just handle anything. But as you start, choose polishes that work in your favor. Okay, Cajun shrimp, this is a cult classic, and it is a cult classic for a reason. This has a fantastic formula. It is a coral, you will not regret it. Very easy to find, you can always find it. TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I mean, it always depends like in your region how like stocked up they are, but this is, they keep bringing it back. You can find it at Ulta, Walgreens, anywhere. It's part of their like core collection, you know? It's not gonna be like limited edition or anything. Clay Dreaming, let me tell you something. This is like I don't know, it's a mix of like brown and purple. I think if you ask me off the top of my head, my number one best OPI formula in this line, this is it. This color, I think, is one of OPI's best ever in the history of ever. It was a release, I think, of a fall collection. I don't remember exactly right now. It cannot be improved. I think it's one of, like I said, one of their best. You guys are not gonna regret it. Up next, we have At-Home Manicures from their Nature Strong collection. Not collection, line. It's not a collection, it's a line of polishes. And if you were to ask me from the Nature Strong line, which is the best, I would say this is my number one from that line, At-Home Manicures. You cannot go wrong with this polish. Absolute one coater. Of course, when I say absolute one coater, it means, you have to consider like how much polish you put on the brush, how long your nails are. In general, it's like a very pigmented polish, so when you do that first coat, it's either perfect or near perfect. So if you do decide to do two coats, or if you need them, it's gonna be very easy for you. Now, one thing to keep in mind, I would say like 95% of their Nature Strong line has fantastic formulas. So if you guys are looking for easy to work with, beginner friendly formulas, I highly recommend, I'm gonna put them in the description below. Check out the two videos that I have where I swatch all the colors in that line. I think one had like 30, that's like a mega video, but the other one I think has like around 10. I have them all swatched. You can discover amazing one coaters in those videos. That whole line is my favorite OPI line by far. It has nothing to do with the like Nature Strong stuff, I don't care about that. It's just the colors, the formula is just very good. Eye Manicure for Beads. This color is not a recent release, but you can find it at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and I pulled this one just because this one's a popular one. You might be familiar with it, but basically anything OPI does in this color range, a little bit more pink, a little bit more purple, anything in this range of colors, I don't think I've seen a bad one yet. And most of them are like the best formulated in that collection. They do these like types of pinky purpley things very well. So believe me when I tell you, if you see it and you like it and it's OPI, they do these amazingly. Peace of Mind, and this one is the kind of color like a nude neutral kind of thing, and these are usually complicated. This one's not complicated. This is very beginner friendly in my opinion. It has nothing to do with the fact that I have the Infinite Shine. I had the other one, like the black cap, and it behaved exactly the same. It's a very good formula. It self-levels. You get to have something in this color range that's not gonna give you any trouble. Absolutely love this polish, and I think you're gonna love it too. Up next in the lineup, we have Strawberry Margarita, another cult classic. This was almost as much of a cult classic as Cajun Shrimp, I would say. And the reason why I chose it, again, very easy to find. It's part of their permanent collection. You can get it like either at Ulta or any of the other places that I mentioned before. Anything in this color range by OPI, usually you're not gonna have any trouble. These are also some of the best formulas from their collections, these hot pinks type of things. They're all great. I just picked this one again because it's a cult favorite for a reason. Again, fantastic formula, beautiful color. You cannot go wrong with this one in your collection. Susie Needs a Locksmith. This one was from their Scotland collection. It is a fall orange, it's a little bit burnt. The reason also why I chose this one, again, I had to pick one out of many, like these types of oranges, they do them beautifully. If you see any of these, there's a bunch. There's like the Piazza Cake, the Panettone and Eat It too, all those from like the Italian collections, fantastic. All these burnt oranges, they do them so beautifully. So if you like any of them, just don't worry about it. It's beginner friendly, it's gorgeous. You're gonna love it, trust me. Of course, this wouldn't be an OPI video if I didn't pick a red. The reason why I chose the Thrill of Brazil is because it's a recent purchase for me. I got it at TJ Maxx. You can find it easily, I would say. And if you've seen one OPI red being swatched, you've seen them all. I just chose this one because I'm currently obsessed with it, but Big Apple Red or any of the other ones that you guys know about, the formulas are perfection. You don't have to worry about it. OPI does reds beautifully as well. If you like an OPI red, grab it. No issue whatsoever. Tile art to warm your heart. Also, chose this one because I had to pick one. Every single OPI blue that looks like this has a fantastic beginner-friendly formula. You will have nothing to worry about. I'm actually wearing this color underneath another one. I put one coat of this and one coat of mooncap polish that I love. That's called House of Hades. I really love that polish, but I always try to wear it with something solid underneath, just because I don't want to have to build up House of Hades and waste it, you know? But anyways, I did one coat of this one coat of House of Hades. And this is what you get. Absolutely love this polish. And again, everything else that OPI does that's in this specific color range, they all look like cousins. All right, so let me know in the comments below or DM me or something what other brands you guys want to see, and whatever you guys want to see up next, I'm going to be working on. If nobody says anything, I'll just do an Essie video up next. And that's it. Thank you for clicking on my video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!